Do you have aches and pains? I have a few. Hey, I'm Dr. Patty Barch. I'm the founder and owner of Naturally Unbridled Wellness, and I'm a traditional naturopath working in Onalaska, Wisconsin. This is a video related to one of the products in our Turbo Zen bundle. So back here, you can see we have the Turbo Zen bundle, which includes our custom formulated nutritional supplements, including Turbo Nutrients, Calm, Zen, and Restore. And Restore is the one I'm going to talk about today. So I have other videos that I've done on the whole bundle and on the Turbo Nutrients and the Zen, and I'm going to just provide you some additional information about the Turbo Zen bundle and today specifically Restore. So I really have been loving this product myself. So I'm 52 years old and I have my own share of aches and pains, but the one that bothers me the most, believe it or not, even though I have some back issues, the one that bothers me the most is I have a little bit of arthritis in this knuckle right here. And I do a lot with my hands. I've got a little farm, I've got a garden, and just doing any kind of digging or anything like that, I get some pain in that knuckle. Plus, that's my scrolling finger, right, for my mouse. So that one is the one that bothers me the most. So I started taking Restore as soon as we got this final formulation from the company that makes these for us. And I noticed that night that my knuckle wasn't hurting. The first night I noticed that. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Restore. So this is an anti-inflammatory formula. And of course, the information is for educational purposes only, has not been approved by the FDA, blah, 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 everything's a lie. So anyway, Restore. So anti-inflammatory formula, it has a blend of enzymes in it. Enzymes are the chemical scissors that break down molecules in your body. And it will break down your food into its component nutrients. But when you take Restore without food, so on an empty stomach, the enzymes that are in there will actually chew up inflammatory molecules in your body. And it's magical. It also has turmeric, boswellia, which is frankincense, ginger, quercetin, rutin, rosemary, and resveratrol. Really magical. So standard dosing is 2 capsules per day, any time of day, preferably on an empty stomach, because if you take it with food, it's going to chew up your food. If you take it on an empty stomach, it's going to chew up your inflammation. Empty stomach is, rule of thumb, at least half an hour before you eat or an hour after you eat. You can certainly go further than that, and you can decide what works best for you. Or do you maybe not get onto breakfast right away in the morning, so taking it first thing in the morning would be best? Or would it be better for you to take it at the end of the day? Personally, for me, I leave it on my desk so that some little spot during the day at my office that like I haven't eaten yet or waiting to have lunch or whatever, I just take the 2 capsules then, and then by the time I'm done with my next appointment or whatever, it's been plenty of time and I can go ahead and take that. So Restore is $36 for 60 capsules, which is a month's supply if you're taking 2 per day. There's no harm in taking more, you just would need an additional bottle. It's included in our Turbo Zen bundle and in the Zen bundle. It's also available on its own. And you can get all of these products here in our office at Naturally Unbridled Wellness on Rudy Street in Onalaska, next to Style Encore. And you do not need to be a regular client here to purchase supplements, but to make it easy for you, you can go to shop.naturallyunbridled.com. Oh, do this. Go to naturallyunbridled.com and click on shop, and that will bring you to right over to our store. I think it's shop.naturallyunbridled.com. Anyway, you can also get a discount and free shipping, and you can do a monthly subscription and get an even better price. So that's a little bit on the Restore product, part of the Zen bundle and Turbo Zen bundle from Naturally Unbridled Wellness. And have a healthy day, peeps.